Hey everyone, and huge congratulations. You made it to the end of the per product shipping for WooCommerce course. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You're now shipping superheroes. Over the last few lessons, we've tackled everything from understanding the 2 shipping modes to the magic of CSV imports. You now know how to set up per product shipping, configure rates for individual products and variations, and choose the right method for your business, standalone or the trusty multiple shipping methods. Remember, accurate shipping rates aren't just about avoiding lost revenue. They're about building trust with your customers. No one likes a surprise shipping cost at checkout. It's like finding out there's a cover charge after you've ordered a drink. With per product shipping, you can be transparent, fair, and keep those customers coming back. Keep testing those shipping zones and rates. Think of it like seasoning a dish. You want to get it just right. And don't forget to use those CSV imports. Nobody has time to manually enter hundreds of shipping rates. It's like trying to untangle Christmas lights. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now go out there and put your new skills to the test. Implement per product shipping on your WooCommerce store and start optimizing those rates. The power to control your shipping costs is now in your hands. Use it wisely, for good, not evil. And if you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to revisit the lessons in this course. Thank you so much for taking this course. I hope you found it valuable and that you're excited to start using per product shipping to its full potential. Good luck and happy shipping. See you in the next course.